Hi there, I see that almost everyone is talking about this pandemic. You open WhatsApp, you go to the internet, you go out, everyone. Now, being a student of law of attraction, all I can tell you is wherever our thoughts go, wherever our attention goes, that is what shows. So instead of talking about this thing that is hitting us badly, we can start thinking of health. All we could do is close our eyes for 60 seconds and think that our bodies are becoming healthier and healthier, our families are becoming healthier and healthier. And imagine that this light of health is spreading all across the planet. And as a student of law of attraction, I can tell you that this will definitely have a very positive impact on the minutest level, at a level where it actually matters. Please do not underestimate the power of your thoughts, the power of the spoken word. Change your focus, reorient yourselves towards health, and do what is required, but think health, talk health. Hope this helps.